Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today we are going to discuss about the vitrified tiles, type of vitrified tiles, installation procedures, advantages and disadvantages of these vitrified tiles for flooring. Flooring covers a significant area in a house. It is important to use these tiles tastefully so that it gives a good appearances. There are numerous sorts of tiles accessible in the market like clay, terrazzo, marble, mosaic, stone, lumber and so on. Vitrified tiles are quite possibly the most generally utilized tiles nowadays. See, this is the image of a vitrified tiles which I am showing it to you. Vitrified tiles are a sort of a ceramic tile that have exceptionally low porosity. These tiles have gone through a vitrification cycle which makes them less permeable and subsequently their water ingestion rate is also lower. It very well may be utilized on the other hand for a marble, stone and ground surfaces. Its water and ice obstruction is high direct, result of which they are widely utilized in a open air development. Also because of this numerous different reasons, vitrified tiles are turning around to be everybody's preferences nowadays in the construction industry. Advantages of the vitrified tiles. First of all, the durability. The durability of the vitrified tiles is more than marble, granite and ceramic tiles. As feldspar and quartz are added to the clay, additional strength is acquired to the tiles. Besides the strength, the three elements after undergoing the heat treatment gives shine too. Consistency in the dimensions. The quality of the tiles is considered better owing to the consistency of the thickness of the dimension. Yearly usages. Vitrified tiles can be used within 48 hours of the installation. This is because they do not require setting time after laying. Even polishing is not required. Ease in cleaning. The cleaning of this tile is easier owing to the shiny surface. Especially soap plus detergent also can be used to clean these tiles. Avoid using acid base cleaner as they makes the tile dull in due course of a time. Bright surface. The surface of the tiles is sparkling and glossy, which results tiles appearing brighter. Non-porous. These tiles are non-porous as the water absorption rate is very low due to the vitrification process. Water and stain resistance. These tiles are non-porous as well as resistant to strain, resistant to microbiological growth. As known from this above, the tile resists moisture, hence bacterial and fungus growth is absolutely redundant in here. Retains its quality in sunlight. These tiles do not suffer damage under the sunlight. This color of the tiles does not damage or fade when exposed to the sunlight. Cost effectiveness. The vitrified tiles can compare to natural stone flooring like a marble or granite in appearances. However, the cost of the tile is much low as compared to the natural stones. Disadvantage of the vitrified tile. It is a slippery surfaces. You can see the images. It can be slipped off. The glossy surface of the vitrified tiles is extremely slippery, especially when it is wet. Anti-slippery vitrified tiles are also available in the market. Expensive installation. The installation is required an expert person. This makes the installation is expensive. Care should be taken that the tiles are installed uniformly. The joints between the tiles should be thin. Even the Need to this really requires an expert. Difficult to repair. Though these tiles do not require much maintenance, however, repairing of the tiles is not an easy job. The grouting lines are to be cut and damaged, then the tiles to be removed. In the process of removing the grout, surrounding tiles also may affected and need rectification for them also. Moreover, there is a high possibility that the new erected tiles form a bond with the old grout and the same tile may suffer damage in few years. Periodic joint resealing. The grout applied in joints these tiles requires resealing within a year or at the maximum 2 years, or unless the grouting looks dirty, not environment friendly. The manufacturing of the vitrify tiles extract a huge amount of energy in the manufacturing process. In the process, carbon dioxide also released. Thus, these tiles are not eco-friendly. Ill effects or health. Vitrified tiles are hard tiles and are known as not yield mature. Vitrified tiles are supposed to be causing unnecessary stress in the joints. These result to be joint pain and stuck. Properties of the vitrified tiles. When you are planning to go for a tile, among with the color, size and dimension and the prices, pay attention to the technical properties too. The technical properties of these tiles are durability. Durability of the vitrified tiles is more than the other type of tiles. Porosity. These tiles are less porous, hence absorb less water and are water resistant. Scratch resistant. These tiles have a scratch resisting property. The color of the tiles remain intact even they are scratched. Only the sheen of the polished tiles is lost due to effect of scorching. Frost resistance. As the water absorption is less, these tiles are resistant to frost too. Hence, its usage for outdoor is preferred. Brightness. The polished vitrified tiles reflect a considerable amount of light. Hence, the usage as a flooring, especially in the kitchen, is preferred. Types of vitrified tiles. Plain soluble salt vitrified tiles. These tiles are screen printed just as clean. These tiles are first printed through screen printing, then afterwards it's clean. The plan of these tiles may fade away in a couple of years. These tiles are very little being used in the current scenario. Double charge vitrified tiles. It fills the most famous tiles among the developers. These tiles discover extraordinary utilization in business and private tasks. These tiles squeezed that the example with a two-fold layer of a shade is printed. For printing a two-fold layer of a shade through the press, two kinds of shading are taken care into the skewing machine. Consequently, the thickness of the upper layer is 3 to 4 mm more than when contrasted with the different kinds of vitrified tiles. The thickness of a plain layer is considered 4 mm. Else the strength of the style is undermined. Polished and matte completion is accessible in this style. These tiles procure a long wearing surface which is essentially appropriate for a traffic areas. These tiles can be withstand heavy pedestrian movement. Double charge vitrified tiles discover application in medical clinics, libraries, shopping center, exhibition halls, cafes and other instructive foundations. See, this is the image of a double charge vitrified tiles. To build a solidness of the double charge tile, the additional layer of the nano covering might be applied. Use of this covering likewise upgrade the quality. The available sizes are 600 by 600, 800 by 800, 600 by 1200, 800 by 1200 and in various sizes. Quality checks. Water test. Pour water on the surface of the tiles. If the water forms a droplets and rolls off from the surface, then after the quality is good. Permanent marker test. Use a permanent marker to mark on the surface of the tile. Leave it for some time to dry. Then removing the stain afterwards. If it is erased without effort, then it is surely a genuine double charge vitrified tiles. Advantages. Maintenance is low. Dirt accumulation is very less. Durability is high compared to other tile. More options are available. The surface of the tiles is resistant to scratches. Shine of these tiles sustained for a long period. Disadvantages. Double charges vitrified tiles are not available in complex design patterns. Extra coatings need to be applied. Full body vitrified tiles. See, this is the image of a full body vitrified tiles. These tiles have a pigment distributed in the entire section. That is the cross section. Hence, these tiles are called full body vitrified tiles. Due to this reason, the scratches are not much visible in this type of a tiles. Hence, these tiles serve as an idle charges for a traffic zone. Advantages. When the tile is cut while fixing in the junction of the two walls at right angle, the border of the tile also has the same color. Scratches are not much visible in these tiles due to their thickness. Design and color of a full body vitrified tiles remain intact throughout the lifetime. Cleaning is easier. Disadvantages. Expensive, as color printing technology is expensive. Limited options available for selecting the full body vitrified tiles. Available sizes 600 mm by 600 mm, 800 by 800 mm, 600 by 1200 mm, and so on. Glossy vitrified tiles. See, this is the image of a glossy vitrified tiles. The available sizes 300 by 300, 600 by 800, 800 by 800, 800 by 1200, etc. Glossy vitrified tiles are famously known as GVT. The name of this tile is held inferable from its glossy surface. These tiles arise in assortment of plants and work of art. Many surfaces are additionally accessible like wood, grain, bamboo, record or stone. These tiles are accessible in competition like greaming, matte, rural and numerous other ways. The way towards coating is additionally exuberant. The presentation is computer printing procedure. The expense is decreasing. Consequently, these tiles are likewise called advanced vitrified tiles. Point of interest in these tiles. Any kind of configuration can be imprinted on these tiles. Disadvantages. Unsatisfactory for a traffic zones. Sturdiness of GV tile is not exactly that of the full body or even two-fold charge of vitrified tiles. Coating layer may disappear with the time. Scratch apportion is less. Polished glaze tile. This is the image of a polished glaze tiles. These tiles abbreviated as a PGVT tiles. The water absorption capacity of the PGV tile is less compared to GVT tiles. Advantages. Application of additional layer of a polish as to shine the top of the layer. Disadvantages. Durability of the PGV tile is less than double charge vitrified tile. Sizes 300 by 600, 600 by 800, 800 by 1200 and so on. Nano polish vitrified tiles. Another name of these tiles is nanotechnology vitrified tiles is just nano tiles 2. Chemical nanotechnology is applied in the manufacturing of these tiles. A layer of liquid silica is applied to the vitrified tiles. After that, micropecks existing in the surface of the tiles are filled. Due to the process, the tiles become smooth and shiny. The nano components of tiles are self-setting and they form an invisible layer of like a vitrified tiles. The layer provides water and dust resistance. Advantages: nano coating enhances the resistance to link and stains or any liquids. The water resistant property of these tiles are enhanced. Ease in cleaning. These tiles have a antibacterial properties, scratch resistance, in maintenance. Defects in the vitrified tiles. Defect of the vitrified tiles need to focus on the potential deformities of a tile could have imperfection and something you have to check while purchasing these tiles. Deformities in the wild tiles may happen because of different reasons like temperature, furnaces, lacking tension, etc. How to check the tiles? It is prosperous to expect to check all the tiles. Thus, the likelihood is applied here. Select 4 to 5 tiles from various boxes. Check them. The tiles rate liberated from imperfection ought to be 95% or more to give a good quality. Various materials having various imperfection. A portion of the ordinary found are not effectively obvious imperfection of the vitrified tiles are talked about underneath. Bowing effect. See, this is the image what we call as a bowing effect. See, you can see the undulation which has been visible here. See here again the defective of the curvature so that the tiles becomes having a not a good surfaces. Edge effect. Defect in edges compromises wrapped or beveled edges. These tiles used in a flooring or a cladding will provide you a non-uniform surfaces. This defect can be covered by a grout. However, this grouting is not cheap. Chipped corners. These chipped tiles can be from 450 to 600 mm. They are available in the slabs formation also. The transportation may cause the damages to have a chip corners. Hence, it is advisable to have a proper packages for these tiles. Surface defect. Some of the time the outside of the vitrified tiles may not be smooth and may have either mark on it. One reason for this deformity is lopsided cleaning during the completion of the tiles. An immaculate surface can make the deck look tastefully better. Thus, the surface ought to be checked upon before procuring the tile. The surface informities are incorporate masses or spots. This is known as a water drop blemishes. Machine marks, as the tiles will have the machine marks. Pinholes. These are all nail estimated opening to the surfaces. Bulges. Sometimes the surface may mount on it, which is called a projection or a things. See here, you can see the things has been clearly marked. Color defect. Vitrified tiles floorings are processed in batches. When there is a 2 batches of tiles have been procured simultaneously, there is a possibility of having a color defects. Hence, it is advisable to procure from the same batch of the material. Defects in finishing. These are all available in the market for vitrified tile like glossy or a matte. A durable coating is polished on the surface of these tiles to achieve this desired finish. The defects in the finishing arises when the polishing is done unevenly. It gives irregular surface, which is a surface defect. Installation procedures. Surface preparation. The surface for preparation for lying tile will be smooth, clean and dry. For this, the surface has to be leveled and the concreting slurry to be spread uniformly. Start of the tile layout. A middle point to set apart on every one of the dividers of the house. The middle purposes of inverse divisor are joined by a line. This will give you a middle purpose on the room. These tiles are laid into 2 ways, beginning from the middle or from the end. Cement application. Adhesive ought to be blended inside 30 minutes of the blending. with the assistance of a scoop. The glue is laid to 0.25 inches thickness beside the rules. Cutting of tiles. Cuts are set apart with a pencil or a felt tip pen for a superficial level. At that point, after the tiles are cut, the tiles are sharper, so straight corner to corner cuts are required. Setting of tiles. Actual establishment tiles start with a progression. So, providing a spacer will give a better finish. In the wake of embeddings of the tile setup, the tiles are tapped with a wooden square, and the abundance glues is eliminated by the clay blade. These tiles permitted to set finally for 24 hours prior to stepping in. Grouting of the tile. After the setting time of the tiles has been finished, grouting is done so the joints are united. Precaution. While buying the tiles, check the number of tiles required, calculate it, procure. 10 to 15% you have to procure additionally towards the damages and cutting wastages. Before laying the tiles, brickwork and plaster of all rooms should be completed. Waterproofing work to be done underneath a layer, clean and dry. Plaster should be cut 9 inches above the slab level for cutting. All electrical work should be complete. While laying the tile, availability of water and electricity should be ensured. All the sides should have arrived at the site. Tiles should be kept in a water for a minimum 3 hours before installation. Floor should be wet before laying the tiles. After laying the tiles, grouting should be done properly. True lines and levels to be checked. The slope of the floor should be checked by dropping some water on the floor. Water should flow towards the drain point. Thanks for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. Images courtesy are a Google. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link has been provided below. Once again, thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, which will motivate me to give a further more